There. How do you zoom in on this bitch?
I
completely missed the video.
sticking all
Look at the fucking road smoking!
That was a burnout. Car coming. Could have stayed out there.
Holy fuck!
I think your video's done there, Devin.
Yeah.
Do I gotta hit that button again?
Yep.
I'll get one more close up on Devin. It's the insane fucking Honda driver.